Save this video if you want to experience Universal Studios Singapore exclusive Instagrammable attraction. Hi kay Gala, part 7 na tayo sa ating fun activities here in Universal Studios Singapore. Are you an avid fan of Naruto ba? And if yes, this exclusive exhibition is for you. Nag-flashback talaga lahat ang aking kabataan kay Gala. Fan na fan kasi talaga ako ni Naruto kahit hanggang kay Boruto, the next gen. Dibale, last March 28 to June 30, nag-celebrate ng 20th anniversary ang Big 3 anime with 3 overseas debut of Naruto, The Gallery at Universal Studios Singapore. Relive the heroic story of Naruto at ang kaniyang mga epic na kasamahan from their beginnings to the 4th Ninja War at yung mga unforgettable moments. Maganda ang exhibition na ito kay Gala. For me, it's 9 out of 10. It's giving talaga. Uy, hanggang sa susunod na fan shows and attractions here in Universal Studios Singapore. Ingat!